the last week of November 2021, northwest monsoon battered Tamil Nadu. For the third time in nearly 100 years, Chennai recorded more than 100 centimeters of rain. Most parts of Chennai and its suburbs were inundated with overflowing water channels. Government had declared holiday for schools and colleges. Eden Park also had its share of rain. There was water gushing from west into Eden Park. The volunteers and the Panchayat team, along with a JCB, had helped us immensely during the critical time by making sure water does not get into the basement. They also helped in clearing the way for water to go out. Sandbags were kept by volunteers to make sure water goes out of Eden Park smoothly. There was precautionary holes made in the walls to let the stagnant water go outside of Eden Park, and the volunteers kept checking to clear the holes. One side of the main entrance gate was blocked by sandbags, and the channel was made to let the water go into the canal without coming inside. Few trees that had fallen were straightened. The rainwater harvesting pits was fully utilized to let the rainwater go inside the ground and the excess water to the pond. The shallow wells also got automatically recharged generously by the rain. Eden Park security team and staff was available round the clock to solve every small issues arising. Pragnya management extended their hands to residents of Phase 1 to park their vehicles during this time. Thanks to the entire volunteers who came out to help in their capacity and time available. Thanks to EC and the support staff working in Eden Park to make sure residents are safe. It will take few days to bring back the original state as it was before. Praying Almighty to keep everyone safe. Let's welcome Christmas and New Year cheerfully.
This is unprecedented and higher than 2014 rains. Non-stop 4.5. I hope there is no glass. Unprecedented rains. Huh?
JCB is already there.
Yeah.
Again breaking the wall.
Widening the breaking work. Widening. Our badminton court is completely submerged in water. It is more than 1 feet of water in this going. And our tennis court also. Our tennis court also is submerged in water. So no tennis for 1 week, guys. Okay.
But we have the water going.
Unprecedented. Still some more rain is there or is Hey Shailendra, what is that? So much water, man. Gopal, we are checking our well. Our well will be full in some time. Still not well.
Actually, it's equal to.
It's getting, no, water is getting in. See that, no?
Floor level.
Filtered water is going inside.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay? And you see the water outside, how much it is. So you can see the water level. We have the flower pots, how much it is in water, how much level it is in water. And our open air gym. This is phase 2 Eden Park. You can see the water level that has come here, and Eden Park's phase 2's parking, no, the ground floor parking or the cellar parking. See how much water is there. Full. We'll go straight. Go.